Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your website name in Wix. So let's get started. So right now, I am on the all sites on my Wix. So we can see in here all the sites that I have. So for me, I'll just choose this one right here. Just click on select and edit site. And then from in here, it will open the Wix dashboard wherein we can see everything. That is the settings of our Wix. So from in here, you can see the setup and all of that. But what we need to click on is to just scroll down and click on the settings right here. Now, once we have clicked on our settings, the next thing we can do is we can click on this website settings right here. So click on that. And then from in here, you can see your site name. So let's just type in here portfolio, or just choose the site name that you want. Then in here, as you can see, I have changed my site name. Once you scroll down, you don't have to change anything in here unless you want to change your website. So in here, if you already have a free domain from website of Wix, you can also edit it. So let's put in right here. And then in here, if you connected your own branded domain, you can also need to change that in order to match what your website name is right now. After that, click on save. And then this will update the site address. So let's just wait for this right here. And then in here, this will load again to the dashboard wherein we can see our site. So in here, we can head over to our home. And then from in there, we can confirm the name of our site. So if you click on the setup right here, we can also see what our setup will look like. So for now, let's click on edit site. That's because the site name will change, but not the site name on the website itself. So let's head over in here on our Wix website editor, and then let's change our name manually from there. So as you can see right here, here's the name. So click on quick edit. And then from in there, just change the name of your actual web page into the one that you have added in earlier. So after that, just save your progress. And then in here, just head over and just choose the domain to save your site. After that, also just click on publish and it will be able to publish your website. So when you view the site in here, you should be able to see that your name has been changed. And when you head over to the Wix website as well, as you can see, the name has been changed as well.